Step E. Install the mortise. Fix the up and down screw. Insert the square rod. The raised end faces outward. Install the front panel. Notice the arrow should be pointed down. Fix the upper and lower studs. Take the wires through the door hole. Align the center of the handle with the square rod and insert it. Install the rear panel. Connect the wires well. Press down the handle to test. Install screws to fix. Don't need to tighten it too much. Adjust the positions of the front and rear panels. Tighten the screws. Install 4 PCSAA batteries. Make sure the front panel is powered on. Thanks for watching.